Hey guys, Jeb here with Earth and Turf. Just going to show you a little maintenance feature on the 415s. I've got two side by side. They're both sold because for some reason they always are. And we're going to show today right inside of here. So this might be something you run into if your belt's not moving, or just a maintenance thing that really should be addressed or needs to be sometimes. So under this shield, there's a Phillips screw right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm going to go in with the impact. You could use a screwdriver if you wanted. I'm just going to loosen that like so. And then nicely I'm going to slide that off. So this one's new, so it's rather easy. Material can collect in here. There are slots in the bottom of the shield like so. So it's intentionally set up that way so it falls out the bottom. However, material still tends to just collect in here. You know how sand is. You go to the beach and you bring it back with you. These chains are number 40 roller chains. They are specifically cut to this length. So right here is the connecting link. If you need it, there should be some available at your local Tractor Supply stores or wherever you get your parts and components and everything, or we can get them to you. Sometimes they're needed quicker though. This is what drives from the motor to the idler pulley and then the actual roller right here that runs the belt of the spreader. So if your belt's not moving, it could be that one of these is rusted, jammed, and having issues. Forgive the biker in the background. So anyway, very simple right there. You can see there's two slots, so I'm going to go right in here, slide it back. Whoops. Make sure I have it lined up and slide it back into place. There we go. All right, the screw's gonna go right in here, line it up, and fasten it down. Now, this chain right here, another simple chain. This one's gonna be the one that runs from the motor up to your brush. Again, little Phillips screw right here, number 2. You're gonna unscrew and simply slide it off. You've got access to this chain. Again, number 40 roller chain, commonly available. That's all for now. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales or support team.